Things not to do. Number one, please pay your bills on time.
Okay.
Oh, well, I'm in the middle of this, so I thought if I just paid that on this date. No. Pay it on the date that it's due. Still continue paying everything on the date that it's due.
Okay.
Number one. Number two, don't open any new credit.
Okay, so don't go and apply for a store credit card.
Don't apply for a store credit card. Don't buy a car. We need a new refrigerator for the new house, so we're gonna do that 0% down at Lowe's or Home Depot.
Okay.
No, don't do that. Don't do any of that, because not only is it a inquiry on your credit, it
Right.
can also drop your credit score. And if we're in a program where we need a 700 and now we've got a 680,
Right.
or it's increased your rate because you just did that, holy moly, that can make a big difference.
Really
for a
expensive
family.
refrigerator.
It's a really expensive refrigerator over 30 years,
Right.
right? So we'll give you the opportunity to buy those things, just not in the middle of our transaction or with cash. You can do it with cash.
Right.
You can buy anything you want. So those are really the top things.
So anything that basically could affect your credit score, the accounts that are being reported, anything
Right,
like that.
right. And also closing cards.
Okay.
That's a big one. So
Okay.
most people don't realize,
Mm-hmm.
okay, I've got this card. I'm going to pay off this debt because I want to go into this new house with zero debt, which is a great thing to do. There's
Right.
nothing wrong with that. But don't close the credit card.
Okay.
The second you close that credit card, it's going to drop your credit
Right.
score. And we always check credit at the end.
Right. You can check at the beginning and at the end, right?
Right. So at the beginning, we've got your score and you're at 740, and now all of a sudden here you are at the end, and we need to check it one more time. And you didn't do any increased debt, but you closed 2 credit cards. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Now we're down at a 720 or 715. And again, it either kicks us out of a program we want, or it
Right.
puts you in a whole different rate that you did not want.
Okay. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I get that question a lot about closing accounts. And I'm like, your best bet is just to leave things open and let them.
It's not going to harm you if it's
Right.
just sitting there. It's
Right.
not doing anything.
Right. Well, and I also always tell people if there's an annual fee associated, some people don't want to pay an annual fee.
Right.
If you call the credit card company and you tell them you want to switch to the non-annual fee version, they'll switch you.
Right.
And so then you have to close it.
And or wait till you're done with buying the house, and then if you want to close something because you feel like you just got too many cards, say you have 5 or 6 and you're like, I just want 3.
Right.
And that's okay. But just let's finish this transaction first, and then you can go.
Just don't do anything.
Then you can go crazy closing whatever you want.